And this exercise is a lung strengthening exercise. And for this one, it's more to do with your breathing. So it does involve a little bit of breath holding. So again, for anyone with any cardiovascular disease, any problems with dizziness, high blood pressure, then you do not have to hold the breath. You can instead focus on a long, slow exhalation. So do be careful with this exercise. Don't overdo it. If you experience any kind of dizziness whatsoever, please don't do it standing up. You can absolutely sit for this exercise. That, in fact, often it's better to do that. So if you have a chair next to you and you want to grab that just to make yourself comfortable for this part, then please do so. So what I'd like you to do is just take your pulse. So you're going to put your right hand, your right fingers onto your index finger and your middle finger onto your left hand to be in a position where you can take your pulse and feel your pulse. So see if you can find your pulse there first of all. I'll just give you a moment to do that. You might want to close your eyes just to really focus in on that for a moment. And I'm going to show you, first of all, what's involved in this exercise. So what you're going to do is take a breath in, and the tongue will be resting on the roof of the mouth. So you're going to take a breath in and hold it. So that's an abdominal breath, breathing into your belly, feeling the belly expand, and you hold it there. And you're going to hold it for, if you can, 20 beats of your pulse. Now, if you can't go for 20 beats, then go for 10. Or go for whatever is comfortable for you. But again, a little bit of breath holding. And then when you've counted to 20 or whatever your number is, you're going to let the tongue drop down from the roof of your mouth, and you're going to make a sound. Now the sound is song. And song in Chinese means relax. So, and it also has a special kind of frequency. By saying this sound, it really helps to open everything up and really relax the flow of qi through all of the vessels, through all of their pathways, and also is very relaxing and kind of really helps to dilate blood vessels and improve flow on many levels as well. There is another exercise, which is the 8-minute meditation on the homepage of my website, and that's called Relax, Expand, and Nourish the Heart. And the relax part of that is the word song in Chinese. So if you want to have a go at that, then please head over to my webpage, and it's at the bottom of the page. You can download that audio file. So taking the pulse, I'll just show you first. So I'm going to breathe in, and I'm holding now with the tongue against the roof of my mouth, and I'm counting for 20 beats, keeping everything else nice and relaxed. And then when I breathe out, I let the tongue drop, and I'm just saying, or even thinking, because thinking also works, the word song. Song. And if you can exhale again for as much as possible until all the air is gone, that's great, okay? So let's have a go at that 3 times. So find your pulse, first of all. Make sure you're comfortable, shoulders relaxed. You might want to close your eyes for this. Check that the tongue is against the roof of your mouth. Take a breath in and hold it. And count 20 beats or 10 beats, whatever you're comfortable with. And then when you're ready to let it go, let the tongue drop and say or think the word song, exhaling as much as you can. Song. And 3 times altogether, so twice more, breathing in, tongue against the roof of the mouth, counting the beats, Song. Take a few normal breaths in between. And when you're ready, go for the last round. Song. Coming back to your abdominal breath. Allow the hands just to relax by your sides, or if you're sitting, let them rest in your lap. With the eyes closed, just observing how your breath is right now, how you feel in your mind. Do you still have any busy thoughts that you may have had at the beginning of the class or the exercise? Or do you feel as though you were really focused on what you were doing there? And your mind feels a little bit clearer now. And then gently opening the eyes. So that simple breathing exercise, using the song sound and holding the breath for a number of pulse beats, can actually help you over a period of time to bring down your breathing rate from the average, which would be maybe 15, 18 breaths per minute, down to around between 6 and 12 breaths per minute. And when you are able to decrease your breathing rate like that, that's really showing you that your lungs are working that much more efficiently. You're actually taking in more oxygen and more breath, more air per breath, and so you don't need to breathe as often. Now, when I learned this was the kind of thing where we were told, practice this, just do 3 rounds of it and practice that for 3 months. And then see how you get on, and then maybe do a few more rounds after that. So it was a very gradual introduction into breath holding. And as I said, if you're not comfortable holding your breath, then don't hold your breath. Just continue with the exhalation, but make it a little bit longer. So never be uncomfortable when you're practicing Qigong. Always listen to your body and do what's right for you at any particular time.